Science cannot solve the ultimate mystery of nature. And that is because, in the last analysis, we ourselves are a part of the mystery that we are trying to solve. When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. Science advances one funeral at a time. It is not the possession of truth, but the success which attends the seeking after it, that enriches the seeker and brings happiness to him. An experiment is a question which science poses to nature, and a measurement is the recording of nature's answer. I regard consciousness as fundamental. I regard matter as derivative from consciousness. We cannot get behind consciousness. Everything that we talk about, everything that we regard as existing, postulates consciousness. Experiment is the only means of knowledge at our disposal. Everything else is poetry, imagination. We cannot rest and sit down lest we rust and decay. Health is maintained only through work. And as it is with all life, so it is with science. We are always struggling from the relative to the absolute. The highest court is in the end one's own conscience and conviction, that goes for you and for Einstein and every other physicist, and before any science there is first of all belief. We have no right to assume that any physical laws exist, or if they have existed up to now, that they will continue to exist in a similar manner in the future. An important scientific innovation rarely makes its way by gradually winning over and converting its opponents. What does happen is that the opponents gradually die out. Insight must precede application. The goal is nothing other than the coherence and completeness of the system, not only in respect of all details, but also in respect of all physicists of all places, all times, all peoples, and all cultures. If you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. Nature never undertakes any change, unless her interests are served by an increase in entropy. If you like the message of this video, there are other messages, from other authors, that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.